So again, this is a Sunday edition of Manila Times Business Mentor. And let me introduce myself. I'm Butch Bartolome. I'm the business mentor. I've been doing this business mentor for the last, 100 episodes already.
Oh.
No? So yeah, today, this morning, we want to talk about the health, about especially eyes. So today we have a group of 3 people who are behind what we call NanoProtect. Sabi nga natin, NanoProtect. Ano ba itong NanoProtect? No? So, before we start, siguro let's introduce each other. Ma'am Arjit.
Yeah, I'm Arjun Reyes, the CEO and Vice President for Finance and Admin, and one of the founders of Buenas Distribution Ventures, Inc.
Okay, and si Sir?
I'm Captain Roy Rivera, CEO and President of NanoProtect.
Okay, NanoProtect. And Kit?
Sir Butch, yeah, I'm Jit Inano. I'm the Executive Vice President for Business Development and Marketing.
Okay. So tell us, ano bang, paano nyo arrive itong business concept na ito, itong NanoProtect? What really propelled all of you, the 3 of you, to venture into this kind of business?
Yeah, Sir Jit?
Yeah.
Of course, first it's I know for sure that this is God's it's God's purpose.
Mm-hmm.
It's God's will that the 3 of us will meet and come up with this kind of venture, a business venture that would help many people in terms of their health, particularly in the eyes, and actually not only in health but also in terms of wealth. Yeah.
So you started venturing together because you have a common vision, ganun ba?
Yes.
Ganun ba yun ang
Because
nangyari?
nowadays, the problem in this world is the eyes.
So, kumbaga, the vision is very important, di ba? So, si Ma'am naman, paano kayo nagkakilala sa business na ito? Paano ba nagsimula ang partnership that you started?
Yung partnership talaga nag-start nung, syempre nag-usap muna kami na kailangan natin ng ganito, and then so na-brought up na kasi magkakilala na kami before.
Okay.
So magkakilala na talaga kami, and then yun nga yung nag-usap kami kasi nowadays nga medyo nakikita namin talaga yung technology na wala pa talaga dito sa Pilipinas. So yun yung isa namin na bakit hindi natin to kailangan dalhin, at we started from the 3 of us.
Okay. So you saw of all the problems that we have right now, you saw the importance of vision.
Yeah, because I myself have a problem also.
Oh, because of the problem, it irritated you.
And of
then
course, I
found
use
the solution,
this
di ba?
ordinary eyewear, and it doesn't work. So, of course, I have to find ways how to have this product that can help my eyes. Yeah.
So, but you mentioned also that you were also having problems with your eyes. Okay.
Actually, I had a severe allergic rhinitis before.
Severe? O, tell us, hindi naintindihan. Ano ba yung severe?
Yeah, severe allergic rhinitis
ano ba yung mga symptoms ng ganun?
Yung bahing ka ng bahing.
Oh.
Alright,
So it's not just a seasonal allergy pala?
Yes, it's allergy from like perfumes and papers.
So na almost everything. Paano
almost
kaya mo na lumabas ng bahay?
Yes, almost everything.
Or you probably sanitize your room.
Yeah.
Even a dusty place.
Yes.
Wow, fantastic.
I have the same problem.
Si Haji, meron ka rin ba?
Ang sa akin talaga is meron ako nakikitang itim sa mata.
Oh.
We call it
And
floater.
then, the floaters pala
Oh
yun.
nga, yeah, I also have that. Yun ang mga
so-
minsan kala mo may bubble.
Yeah,
Ay, ba yung ganun?
Wave or
parang-
clouds.
Oh, yeah, right, right.
Parang frustration sa akin na bakit hindi natatanggal? So, ano meron? So, by using this eyewear, nawala siya. So, personally sa akin, nawala. And
But did it make you feel uncomfortable with the floater around?
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi di ba, pag ikaw pa nakatingin ka ng ganyan, nandyan siya eh.
Parang ayaw umalis, no?
siya.
Para bang...
Ayaw
Very
umalis.
loyal.
Oo.
Kung saan ka tumingin, nandun siya.
Oo, pag tumingin ka dito, nandito siya.
Yeah,
Pag
yeah.
tumingin ka doon, nandun din siya.
Oo,
So,
oo.
nandyan lang siya. So, para bang, paano ba ito mawawala? Diba?
So you must have tried so many remedies, I'm
Yes,
sure.
meron kang pampatak, diba? Then, I've tried the graded lens.
Mhm.
So, pero nandoon pa rin siya.
Mhm.
And then, isa pa doon, yung blurry vision.
Blurred.
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 Yes, I'm nearsighted, but at the same time blurred.
Nearsighted ka na, pero
na
blurred
ako,
pa.
blurred pa rin siya. So, para
oo.
bang, ang sa akin, para bang nakaka-depress.
Aha,
Na,
aha.
diba, pag ganito,
So in other words, the vision creates depression.
Yes, yes. Kasi,
Because what you cannot see, you feel na, bakit ganun?
yeah, parang,
Di ba? Parang,
feeling mo,
There's a
parang,
question behind.
oo,
Yeah.
parang bang it's so, I mean, now you see the value of having a vision, di ba?
Yes.
Yung bang, ganun. So, you have these problems together, you put it on the table, and what did you do? I mean, ano yung naging proseso nyo?
Well, of course, ang nag-brainstorming kami how we will put things together, how we can start. Of course, looking for first, simply looking for the budget or the finance.
Yes, siyempre.
that's the
You cannot
first-
start a business without a
Yeah,
budget.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Then to look for the
source.
the source of
Manufacturing.
manufacturing.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how we started.
Mhm. So the innovation started already. The flow of creativity juice started to flow, di ba?
Yes.
So you're able to focus on this nanotech. Why why the brand? Why the name nanotech?
Because nowadays, of course, the technology is, the latest one is the nano.
Uh,
So, of course, it's a brand or it's an image that, when we say nano, there's a technology behind that.
so what's the technology? When sabi nyo, ano yung technology? Where is this technology coming from? This nanoprotect. Anong sabi nyo? There's something like a tourmaline, something?
Yeah, of course,
Or, ano?
the raw materials coming from other countries or these most popular countries like Germany, Japan, and USA.
Mhm.
So we combine those products from them, and then we brought to Japan for the nanotechnology.
Mm.
And then I show.
Yeah, we saw
this
we
one.
saw that
I have these pellets.
Meron ka pang pellets,
Yeah.
may meter reading ka,
Yes.
and it's really something that it
So,
registered, no? The
those
negative
pellets is-
ions, no?
Those pellets are from the machine. This is already nanotechnology, and then brought to the manufacturing plant for production.
So this is now what we now see here on the table are actually the samples of your product.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell us about these products. I mean, these are frames that we now see. Ano ba ito?
We have.
Where's the technology there?
Yeah, mostly in the frame.
Ah.
Mostly in the frame because we can put the elements here.
Mhm.
Those pellets we turn into powder again
Mhm.
and mix with the plastic to form the frame and the temples.
Ah.
Yeah.
So it's all around. In other words,
Yes.
even here.
It's distributed equally here, equally and here also.
So ano nangyaring benefit? Like, Kit, ano nangyaring benefit sa iyo when you started wearing? I'm sure you experimented on it?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah, mararamdaman mo naman yung talaga bang effective because katawan mo yan eh. So
Correct.
meaning there's something change na nangyari, yung relief is something na noticeable siya. Mararamdaman mo talaga there's something parang may relief na nangyari, may changes. So from then, siyempre, ginamit na ng tuloy-tuloy. And then, up until now, at this moment, I would say na hindi na ako nagka-suffer doon sa talagang sobrang pahirap na allergic rhinitis.
si Jean, did you experience already? Nawala na ba yung floaters mo?
Yeah. Nawala talaga, and yun ang kagandahan kasi even my blurry vision, nawala talaga siya. So yun ang maganda, and isa pa doon, hindi ko na na-feel yung headache.
Okay.
Kaya minsan kasi, diba, sumasakit ang ulo natin, but by wearing this one, so hindi ko na siya na-feel. Diba? So,
Let's focus on the the society, the general society right now, the children. Di ba marami tayong problema? Yung mga bata, for example, are all in how many hours on their cell phone, laptop, notebook.
Minsan, maghapon pa.
Mga siguro
bata
ilang
ngayon.
oras, di ba?
Yes.
I mean, easy weekend siguro, easy 10 hours.
Yeah, minsan.
Siguro conservative pa nga, no? Or even adults who are always on the go.
Minsan, parang literal nga, sir, di ba, paggising mo, di ba, cellphone agad?
Oo nga.
Mostly, ngayon,
Oo,
di ba,
oo.
bago matulog, cellphone pa rin. So, what we can do is to prevent,
Oo,
di ba, para maiwasan yung radiation.
correct.
And we cannot hinder
ingay.
them by using, because nowadays in their school they are using also
Kumbaga,
gadgets.
part of society na ito.
Yes.
Part of,
Yeah,
di ba? Part of
So,
education. Kailangan,
Yes.
even adults, kailangan
Yeah.
yan. Never a day na hindi ka
Correct.
humawak ng cellphone, right? I'm
Yes.
sure that's
Yes,
rare.
that's right.
But the kids nowadays, they're having eyesight problem. Is that true?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's true.
Yeah, because in today's technical-driven world, I would say, that we are constantly surrounded by. I'm actually saying that we are surrounded by a modern pollution, which is radiation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. True.
Yeah.
True. And how can nanotech now help minimize, if not eliminate? How can we now help, like for example, the parents, the children, especially the parents, to be convinced?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's not the children who will do it, right? I mean, it's actually the parents who are now watching us in these Manila times, no? That they can now tell and say, why don't we try?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All you have
Diba?
to do is to wear.
To wear it.
Because we have nothing to do with the technology. All you have to do is to protect ourselves.
Okay,
If the problem is radiation, then we use the anti-radiation.
correct.
And this the frame alone is already an anti-radiation.
Mm-mm.
With the lenses also, it has anti-radiation
Mm-mm.
again. So it's a total protection when you wear the nanoprotect eyewear.
But the children, for example, the kids, toddlers up to, grade 8, ages 10, they're very, masyadong active yan eh. Di ba?
Yes,
Yung bang, ano ba ngayon? Meron kang dinemonstrate, Arjit, na unbreakable
This one.
ang frame.
Lalo
Diba?
na yung mga 6 years old, 5 years old.
Oo.
So, minsan hindi nila maiwasan na maglalaro, pinaglalaruan. So, hindi siya basta masisira.
Saka it's flexible.
Yeah,
See,
very flexible. So, kahit mahulog
it will
siya,
not
Oo.
be
So,
broken.
So talagang I mean, something that if I'm a parent, I say, I'm going to invest. It's an investment,
Yes,
right?
that's right.
But a parent, it's really worth it. No,
Yes.
you can naman tell the children and say, stop playing
Yeah.
basketball, stop playing this. You're hindering their growth, di ba? Sabi nga natin.
Yes.
Pero eto naman, so this is something practical. It's a
Yes.
solution. No?
Yes. Because having nanoprotects means you can fully enjoy the benefits of this modern technology.
Without the limitation.
Yeah,
Yes,
without living in
oo.
fear.
Okay. Pero naman sa Gen Z, of course, those, eto, hindi naman pwede sa Gen Z.
Yeah.
May pan-Gen Z ka naman
Yeah.
din.
Yeah.
So,
We have some.
parang applicable lahat ito. Sa mga,
From adults to kids.
From adults to kids. So, ito, I'm sure, for Gen
For
Z
Gen
naman
Z,
to,
yes.
di ba? Halos lahat ata ng tao, kailangan maging nano-protect na nano-protected na, di ba? And see, ito, ladies and gentlemen, this is something that, you have to look at it, no? Meron nakalagay dito, nano-protect, right?
Yes.
Nanoprotects.
So this separates the brand from others, di ba? That they
Yes.
claim.
Yeah.
Plus, I think you were saying kanina na you want to see the authenticity of it. How do you now see the authenticity by coming to the office to check?
Actually,
Yeah.
in the manufacturing plants,
Uh-huh.
we were there
Uh-huh.
during the production. Of course.
No, but if people are buying this, for example,
Yeah.
purchasing this, how would
yeah,
they'll
we can
purchase
test. We
it
have the
here?
tester here.
Okay.
If they want to see, then we can test for them.
they can buy here in the office.
You were saying negative ions.
Yeah.
500, like something.
Yes.
Ano yung
Negative ion that can help or have benefits with people is at least 500.
Mhm.
So the more negative ion we have, then the more we are
Oh, yung
protected.
pinakita mo kanina, which we'll
Yes.
insert in our video, no?
Yes.
Something like 4,000 something.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah, the 4,000 is meant for severe cases. People they have these severe cases in their eyes, especially.
Mm-mm. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm so touched about the corporate social responsibility that
Yeah.
you mentioned about helping our fellow Cebuanos
Yes, sir.
in their recent. Ano yung ginawa niyo? What made you think about that? Having a cause.
Yeah, that's one of our advocacy also, sir. Helping our communities like yung nangyari yung mga ganyan na mga calamity. So, it's not always about business, but being mga kababayan natin. So, we have to
Correct.
reach out.
Yeah.
So, mas maganda yung while we're doing the business, we're also helping them. We're helping one another. Lalo na sa ganitong sitwasyon na talagang even us here in Luzon, so we need to go there para mag-reach out, para maramdaman naman nila na nandito si Nanoprotect sa in times of this.
It's not just business per se.
Yeah.
And we would like to make a statement that hindi mo kailangan maging isang malaking company para makatulong ka sa ibang.
Exactly.
Yes.
Tama yan. Tama yan.
And we would like to inspire other SMEs, other big, especially big companies that in times of crisis, walang ibang magtutulungan kundi tayo mga Pilipino lang.
Exactly. Tama yan. And I understand you're celebrating your, a week from now that we are now broadcasting. Tell us about the anniversary you're going to have.
Yeah.
In where is Lois going to be?
In on December 21 at Galios Events Hall.
Oh, yan ha, ladies and gentlemen, first anniversary.
Yes.
Oo. So this is after 12 months, no?
Yes. after 12
And
months from the
you're
start.
still really going strong, ha?
Yeah.
Anong vision ba nga ng group? Anong vision nyo ngayon for this next coming years? Ano bang,
Yeah, of course. We want to be the leading distributor with this kind of product, with this technology product.
Okay.
So we are looking forward. We are seeing the company in a global market.
Okay.
Right? We are already thinking of global expansion because right now we already have Nanoprotect nationwide sort of, and right now we also have distributors or partners across the globe, and we would like to saturate the global market and to be a leading
Kumbaga, name brand to recall, di ba?
Yes.
Para bang, but again, marami na nanonood sa atin. I'm sure they're getting their paper and pen. RG, paano ba mag-join ng Nanoprotect? I mean, I'm sure they're getting excited. They want to see the benefit. Pero sabi ko nga, to cease to believe, di ba? To cease to believe. Because you cannot be a distributor or a seller if you don't believe in the product. No, you have to believe.
You have
So,
to believe.
how can they join?
Unang-una, punta sila dito sa office. We have
Where's your office? Your office is in Shaw
here
Boulevard.
in 561 Shaw Boulevard, here in Mandaluyong City, and
Very accessible.
yeah, very accessible.
Diba?
So,
Very accessible, no? Along Shaw Boulevard, yeah, right.
Lang.
Oo.
And ayun po, so punta sila dito, and we have also our optometrist here. So kung gusto nilang magpa-check up, so Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday nandito po yung optometrist natin para for them to check talaga na nandito yung produkto ng Nanoprotect for lalo na sa mga may
So,
protection and
are there
prevention.
areas that you are, how does one join?
We have so
By-
many distributors around.
So if somebody wants to be a distributor, can they still
Yeah.
become a distributor?
Yeah,
Yes.
they just
They
come
just
here.
buy with the
Oo.
products of their choice.
Okay.
Then, of course, the membership is free.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is membership.
So tama-tama ito before Christmas, di ba? Yung
Yes,
mga
that's
nag-iisip magnegosyo,
Actually,
di
we
ba?
have this Christmas gift for the this coming Christmas.
Uy,
We already
galing.
have this. What's that? With our media partners.
Oo nga.
Promoted,
Oo.
for the OFW.
Uy, maganda yan.
Yes.
Alam mo kasi marami tayong mga kaibigan, OFWs, no?
Yes.
Watching Middle East, US, and they still want to have, paano ba magkaka-augment ng revenue? Diba? Yan ang hinahabol nila. So, ano ba mga requirements nyo? Do you need to have a shop, an office, if you want to be a distributor, or pwede rin
No,
sa bahay,
just
in a
buy.
neighbor?
Yeah.
Diba?
Of course, they
We can
just
do
buy
it
from
online.
our office, from the
Ah.
distributors. They know, then automatically they will become a distributor.
And I'm sure because siguro to become a distributor, you must be also wearing this also, di ba?
Yeah.
To cease to believe, di ba? Ticket, di ba?
Yeah, actually, you just buy any product.
oo.
Then, if you want to be a member, then we will register your name under Nano Protect.
And,
Okay.
and right now, we are not just looking for an ordinary member. We are actually aggressive on looking for partners such as the City Stockies.
Mm,
Yeah, that there are lots of perks of being a City Stockies in Nano
that's good.
Protect.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. So
City
if they want,
Stockies is, yeah.
if they want to get in touch with you, they can just. You have a website. You have a Facebook, social media that they can visit.
They will just search us sa ngayon sa
Oo,
Facebook
oo.
because our website is under construction.
Okay. Okay.
Right? They may type in Nano Protect
Mhm.
and then yun na yan.
That's good. So, siguro last thing, ano ba ang pwede niyong i-advise pagiging partners? Kasi alam mo, marami tayong mga, I've been in business for 35 years and, I've seen friends becoming very, very good friends and some friends who are becoming the best of enemies. No? So, yun. Ano ba mapapayo ninyo? Pwede niyong ipayo? Siguro, kasi a lot of people are watching us and say, paano naman nagkaugnayan? Ano kaya mga technique nila? Arjit, ano ba, Jean? Ano ba anong mapapayo mo mga advice na to start a partnership? Ano ba yung mga naging advice mo na pwedeng ma-share mo?
Dito talaga, sir, unang-una, lahat naman talaga tayo gusto ng extra. Whatever we have now, so any businesses you have or any work you have, so if you want some extra, so you can start from there. And
Okay.
we are here.
Okay.
So doon mag-start and then, by believing our products. So,
Pero when you started your partnership with these two gentlemen, ano ba ang pwede mo ipayo? I mean, I'm sure a lot of women watching also. Paano kaya kasi I'm sure maraming mga kaibigan na partner tayo negosyo. Ano kaya pwede mo maipayo? Isa lang payo na pwede mong maibahagi.
dapat alam mo kung ano yung deepest why mo.
Wow.
Oo. So, doon mag-start na bakit ko kailangan to. 'Di ba? Ang unang-una is gusto naming ma-share, gusto naming makatulong talaga
Correct.
na kaya dinala namin to dito sa Pilipinas kasi nowadays talaga marami gusto naming makakonect doon from bata hanggang matanda. And by doing that, we do the business also.
Correct. The partnership.
Yeah, the partnership.
Kaya naman,
Yeah.
ano ba ang
For me,
sikreto
of
ng
course.
partnership na maging successful?
Business is about trust. If there is no trust, there is no business.
Correct. Oo.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, tiwala, no?
Yeah,
Tiwala sa
yes.
bawat isa.
Yeah.
Di ba?
And of course, in doing business, just being humble.
Yun.
Yeah, because people will look at you, and of course, you are in your heart.
Oo.
Because we are doing this not for our own. We are doing this for the people.
Mhm.
Because we know that, of course, the problem nowadays is, especially is the eye. So, of course, we address that one.
Correct.
And we are not just doing this that we can earn money. We are doing this that, of course, their problem, so that it will be eliminated, or our product can help with those problems.
Correct.
And of course, the business will
Will
take over.
flourish, di ba?
Yeah.
Kumbaga, when you have trust and you have
Yes.
the foundation, the business will eventually grow, right?
Yes.
So, mas magaang dalhin
Yeah.
kaysa mabigat, di ba?
Yeah, most of the businesses are of course it needs people.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo. So, yun ang importante doon.
Yeah.
Eh, Kit, ikaw naman, ano bang mapapayo mo yan? Ito, si Kit po pala, taga
Git.
Sorsogon. Git. Sige. Okay, taga Sorsogon.
Yeah.
Oragon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it's very important that you share the same value The moral,
Okay.
the moral values are aligned.
Mhm.
You have the common objective.
Mhm.
Okay, and it's completely understandable that all of us in partnership we have differences because we raise a different parents. So it's normal that we have differences, and we just have to learn to agree to disagree.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it is very important. Transparency is very important. The respect is very important. Business is the business is not just all about the money. For me, it's also a legacy. We cannot help lahat ng tao, but at least we are doing something for the humanity.
Kumbaga,
That's all about
may
nanoprofit.
edge kayo ginagawa, hindi lang yung bahala na, di ba?
Yes.
In other words, you see the problem, but you're doing something about
Yes.
the problem.
Yeah, that's called leadership.
Oo,
Yeah,
di
you
ba?
already know the problem, and we are doing something for it, a solution.
You're taking action.
Yes.
No matter how big or small. You know, you don't have to be that grandeur, di ba?
Correct. Yeah.
Importante yun. So yeah, well, congratulations to all of you, the Nanoprotect, and really, I hope
thank you,
to
sir.
see flourishing, abundance,
Yeah.
you know. Sabi nga nyo, ang ganda ng pangalan ng grupo nyo. Ano pangalan? Buenas?
Buenas
Buenas
Distribution
Distribution.
Ventures.
Oh, biro mo ha. Yan Buenas na. In other words, for 2026, talagang buenas na tayo.
And then
Di ba?
bonus, Sir Woods,
Oo.
her name,
Oo.
Arjin, that's spelled as ARJAAN.
Oo.
Yeah.
A stands for
RGN.
Arjin,
R is for Roy.
Roy,
J is for Jit. E is for eyewear. A is for apparels. And N is for nanotechnology.
Am I seeing serendipity?
So, meant to be talaga.
Kumbaga, pinagtagpo ng
Her
tadhana.
name is between us.
Yeah.
Oo nga, no? Para bang you cannot even tell what's the mystery behind. You know?
Yeah.
Kumbaga, there's a purpose for everything.
Yeah.
Para bang pinagtagpo-tagpo, pinagtagpi-tagpi, di ba? Para nakakakilig, no? Ganon. Yan ang mga kaibigan. This is just the beginning. So again, just remember, you are watching these 3 people behind the Nanoprotect. At the same time, you are now, if you really are interested, hop in any transportation. It's so easy to find, di ba? In 561 Shaw Boulevard.
Yes.
You
It's
won't miss it.
beside PCSO.
Beside PCSO. Okay, so in other words, kung tumama naman sila sa loto,
Ayan.
diba? Pwede
O,
naman
dito sila mag-claim. Diyan.
Oh, pwede na mag-claim.
Ayan. Samahan ko pa sila mag-claim dyan.
So, buenas talaga.
Ayan.
Mukhang maganda. So, yeah, congratulations guys. And again, keep in
Thank you.
touch.